hand and say, so help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you.
Umengameli uRamaphosa uqale ngokuphothula ubufakazi obuthinta isikhundla sakhe njengomengameli we-ANC wabe segxila einsolweni zokuqhwagwa kwamandla ombuso ezavela ngesikhathi eseyiphini likamengameli wezwe phakathi kuka-2014 no-2018. Uthi yize wayinohlu lwezinto ayengazenza ukubonisa ukungahambisani nezinye zeinqumo ezayithathwa ngowayengumengameli uJacob Zuma, kepha waqoma okungesuli esikhundleni sakhe ngenxa yokuthi wayekholwa ukuthi engenza umehluko ongcono ekuqedeni inkohlakalo uma engaphakathi kuhulumeni.
This action of resignation would have significantly impaired my ability to contribute to bring about what I would call an end to state capture. It would have caught the big headlines, newspapers, and that would have been the end of it.
Wakhetha ukuhlala kulesikhundla asebenzisane nabanye ukuze bazame ukwenza izinguquko ezifanele.
The final option for me, which is what I chose, was to remain in my position as Deputy President, not to resign, not to acquiesce and go along and join in, or not to be confrontational, but to work with others in the executive to resist the abuses and bring about change where we could, and to sustain the work of social and economic transformation.
Umengameli uRamaphosa uthi wakhombisa ukuphikisana kwakhe nokuqokwa kaDes van Rooyen njengongqongqoshe wezemali ngoZibandlela wango-2015 wasonga nangokuthi uzokwesula esikhundleni sakhe.
I immediately contacted the then and now ANC Deputy Secretary General, Jessie Duarte, and indicated in a meeting with her that this is what had happened, and I was now really concerned that state capture had reached this level. And I said to her that I would resign my position, Deputy President of the Republic, and I believe that that message was conveyed to the then President. And maybe that would have raised a concern, I don't know. Then there was a flurry of consultations that involved some of the ANC officials expressing disquiet about the appointment of Mr. Des van Rooyen. The then ANC Secretary General Gwede Mantashe, Ms. Duarte and myself urged the President to appoint another person as the Finance Minister.
Lesicau siyaqhubeka.